Alright guys, so I tried going live right now, but the app is all like glitchy and everything, and it keeps on just going all haywire. So I'm just gonna make a quick video of what's at the junkyard, and let's see if there's anything cool. Here's a little DA Integra, pretty cool. I would get that, but I have so many already. I don't need another one. Hopefully there's some DCs around here and should be good. Let's see. Yeah, but I really wanted to live stream. Haven't done it in a while, but I don't know, kind of upsetting that it doesn't work. There's a little prelude right here. BB2, Lexus, pretty cool right there. That's sweet. Little Toyota, or no, Nissan, Toyota Integra right here. Look at this. That looks so sweet. They took the lights and nicely put the bumper back. It was a 5-speed DC2. Yep, DC2 GSR right here. So it has a mismatched bumper on it, and older lights, newer front end. Yep, and it's got OBD1 style mirrors that came on the 94, 95. So it must be a 94, 95. Well, it says 99, so this thing's all messed up. So it's a 99 with an older front end. I mean, an older rear end, older mirrors. It's kind of weird. I don't understand it. But it is a 99 though. I'll go back to that. Let's see what else is here. Little DB1 Integra sedan, 2nd gen. Nice alloys on it. Good for like a little Civic. Let's see what's inside. Nice seats. Very nice interior. Like that little ricer white inlay. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is sweet. Pretty cool. Non-original floor mats. Chevy Spectrum. Back when the Americans were trying to compete with the Japanese as far as affordability, pretty sure. That's nice interior. Prelude, maybe. Yep, Prelude. Yeah, I just threw everything in here. Seventh Gen Civic, Supra, Turbo. Let's get a good shot of this one. Wait, it says Celica. What's that about? Oh, everything's pulled. They took it all. Crazy. I really wanted to see some turbo action, but I guess it's kind of rare, I guess. Don't really know much about these. A little Civic right here. Another 2JZ. Alright, so here's a little DA over here. Nice bumper, nice lights. Auto. Two-tone. I thought there was going to be a K series in that Honda Element, but nope. Ooh, that's nice. All right, nothing over here. Look how small that is, pushed back. No wonder, like the displacement of the engine and the size and everything in the handling is pretty good. In the weight distribution, I actually meant, because the engine is, you know, like behind the axle. It's pretty cool. Unlike this one, the engine's like all the way forward. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back to that Integra and let's see what I can pull off of there. This is a 300 or 400. Can't even tell. Let's see the back. What the hell? Alright, I'm gonna try to get this open. Alright, so by looking at the bottom, it's 400, so it's a V8. Thought that was gonna be a 3JZ, but now it's just a 2JZ. Alright, so we're back on this one. Oh wait, hold up, let's look at this. Pretty cool. D16 Y8 right there. Alright, go to this Integra again. So by looking at this right here, it had some type of HID. Slave right here. Power steering pump. I need this cover. I would have got that cover. It would have been good for mine. Clean fender. And that's a Civic seat right there. So they took the interior engine. This was theft for sure. Door panels. Yeah, they plucked this thing. There's a mount right here. Blown. Nice panels in the rear. Alright, so those are nice. Gotta take these right here. Perfect. That's basically all I can pull from this. Wait, look at this. What the hell? That is definitely not original. But it does look cool. That's weird. Alright guys, so I got the parts right here. That's so much for a live stream. The thing's too buggy, but I'm gonna cut it off right there. Hope you guys like. Not real much content in this one, but you know, it's something. It's not the last junkyard video. Plenty more to come. I gotta test the stream out later and see how that goes. Hopefully it's not a wrecked update or something. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so I thought I'd just check out the SUVs and stuff. I know this is stuff, you know, a lot of people don't want to see, but just might as well run it until the memory runs out. Kind of weird, imagine just opening your door, just being able to work on your engine while just chilling in your seat. Vans are a cool, weird design for sure. That's sweet right here. It's massive. Box truck 350. Pretty cool. I could actually use some of these parts, but man. That's a sweet shot right there. Smells classic, like a very, very vintage smell. It smells like it just sat up and you could smell the old vinyl. It actually smells kind of good. Crazy. What a waste.